Let's explore variadic functions. These are functions that accept a variable number of arguments. You will master functions that accept a variable number of parameters using the three dots operator. Variadic functions are functions that can accept a variable number of arguments. The key is to use the three dots operator before the parameter type to define a variadic parameter. This allows the function to be called with any number of arguments of that type, providing a flexible parameter count. Here is the basic syntax for a variadic function. The keyword func indicates that it is a function declaration. MyFunc is the name of the function. Within the parentheses, args followed by three dots, and then int, indicates that the function accepts a variable number of integer arguments. Note that the three dots comes before the type. The variadic parameter must be the last parameter in the function definition. Let's look at a simple example. Here we have a function named sum, which takes a variable number of integer arguments, indicated by nums, followed by three dots and then int. The function returns an integer value. Inside the function, total is initialized to 0. A for loop iterates over the nums slice, adding each number to the total. Finally, the function returns the total. The sum function is called with the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. The output of the sum function will be 10. This slide shows how to work with arguments inside a variadic function. The process function accepts a variable number of string arguments using args followed by three dots and then string. Inside the function, fmtprintln is used to print the count of arguments using the len function. A for loop iterates over the args slice using the range keyword. The fmtprintf function is used to print the index and value of each argument. Inside the function, the arguments become a slice. Use len to get the count of the arguments and loop with range to access all the arguments. A variadic function can have mixed parameters. The greet function accepts a string parameter named name, followed by a variable number of integer arguments indicated by ages, followed by three dots, and then int. The fmtprintf function is used to print a greeting message with the provided name. A for loop iterates over the ages slice, and fmtprintf prints each age. The greet function is called with the string John, followed by the numbers 25, 30, and 35. It is important to remember that the variadic parameter must be the last parameter in the function definition. This slide shows how to pass a slice to a variadic function. The number slice is created, containing the integers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The sum function is called with the number slice, using the three dots operator to unpack the slice elements. This passes each element of the number slice as a separate argument to the sum function. The result is stored in the result variable. Finally, the result is printed using fmt.println. Use the three dots after the slice to unpack the elements. Let's summarize the key takeaways about variadic functions. Use the three dots before the parameter type to define a variadic parameter. The variadic parameter must be the last parameter in the function definition. Inside the function, the arguments become a slice, allowing you to iterate over them. Use the slice followed by three dots to unpack a slice when passing it to a variadic function. Variadic functions are perfect for flexible function APIs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.